You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. By the way, if you want to learn more medical terms, confusing vocabulary from medicine, anatomy, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Splanchnic, this is the name for a nerve. It's pronounced not splanch or splench or splank, like a K, because it's from Greek, I believe, etymologically. Visceral nerve, splanchnic nerve. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.